computer, you really need to hear what is coming next. Massive leaks have just dropped regarding the highly anticipated M5 and M5 Pro Mac Mini, and the details are absolutely mind-blowing. The best value computer in the world is about to get significantly better, faster, and more powerful than anyone expected. This is the kind of update that changes everything for budget creators, everyday users, and high-end professionals. Today, we're going to break down every single leaked detail about this upcoming beast. We will cover the jaw-dropping new performance numbers, the exact release date, and the shocking truth about the price. You'll want to stick around until the very end, because the performance gains on the Pro model are completely unprecedented for a machine of this size. To understand just how crazy these new leaks are, we have to quickly look at where we stand right now. At the very end of 2024, Apple finally gave the Mac Mini a brand new design. This was a massive deal. For the previous 14 years, we had been staring at the exact same silver box on our desks. The new 2024 design shrunk the Mac Mini down into an incredibly tiny form factor. It is practically the size of an Apple TV. Inside that tiny box, Apple packed the M4 chip. They finally gave us 16 gigabytes of RAM as the bare minimum standard. They included 256 gigabytes of base storage. They even put useful ports on the front, including USB ports, alongside Thunderbolt ports on the back. Apple sold this absolute powerhouse for just $599. It was an instant hit. The value was exceptional. For power users, Apple also introduced the M4 Pro Mac Mini. That model started at $1,399. It came with 24 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and faster Ethernet. The Mac Mini became a tremendous success overnight. Millions of people bought one. But Apple never sleeps, and they're already preparing to make this tiny machine even more dominant. Plus one, let us dive right into the brand new leaks. The first thing you need to know is about the physical design. If you were hoping for another major visual overhaul, you need to adjust your expectations. The leaks confirm that there will be absolutely no design changes for the M5 Mac Mini. Apple just spent a lot of time and money re-engineering the chassis to make it smaller. They're going to stick with this exact same look for at least the next 5 generations. That means the controversial power button placement is here to stay. Yes, the power button will remain tucked underneath the bottom of the device. You will still have to tilt the computer up to turn it on or force restart it. Some people hate this, but honestly, you rarely need to physically turn off a Mac Mini anyway. The design is sleek, incredibly compact, and it looks beautiful on any desk. Since the outside is staying the same, Apple poured all of their engineering budget into the inside of the machine. The biggest and most exciting change is the brand new M5 chip. Apple first introduced the M5 architecture in late 2025. It powered the newest Vision Pro, the iPad Pro, and the standard 14-inch MacBook Pro. Now, that same incredible silicon is making its way to the Mac Mini desktop. The standard M5 chip is going to be a complete monster. It will feature a 10-core CPU setup. This includes 6 highly efficient cores for background tasks and 4 high-performance cores for heavy lifting. It will also come with a 10-core GPU. Now, you might be thinking that 10 graphics cores sounds exactly the same as the M4. But do not be fooled by the core count. The architecture of the M5 GPU is radically different. The leaks reveal that this new 10-core GPU is actually up to 45% faster than the previous generation. Let me repeat that. You're getting nearly 50% more graphical power without adding any extra cores. This is a massive leap for anyone who wants to edit videos, play casual games, or run creative software on a budget. Apple is also keeping the memory and storage baseline exactly the same. The base M5 Mac Mini will come with 16 gigabytes of RAM right out of the box. You will still get 256 gigabytes of super fast storage. If you need more memory, you will easily be able to upgrade it to 2 NTY 4 or even 32 gigabytes. You can also configure the storage all the way up into the multi-terabyte range if you are willing to pay the Apple tax. Plus 2. But what if you're a professional who needs serious desktop power? That is where the M5 Pro chip comes into the picture. The leaks surrounding the M5 Pro are simply staggering. Currently, the M4 Pro chip tops out at 14 CPU cores. The M5 Pro is going to push those limits even further. The leaks suggest Apple might bump the maximum CPU core count up to 16 cores. This would give you 12 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Apple has a strong history of adding an extra core or two every time they update their Pro and Max chips. They want to ensure professionals always have a reason to upgrade. However, the CPU gains are nothing compared to what is happening with the graphics. The current M4 Pro tops out at 20 GPU cores. The word on the street is that the M5 Pro could feature up to 22 GPU cores. When you combine those extra cores with the new, highly efficient M5 architecture, the results are explosive. We are looking at potential graphical performance gains of 55 to 60% over the M4 Pro. This is almost unbelievable. A 60% boost in graphics means this tiny little silver box will rival massive, expensive desktop towers. If you do 3D modeling, heavy color grading, or intense graphical rendering, the M5 Pro Mac Mini is going to be an absolute dream machine. Now we have to talk about the most important part for most buyers. How much is all of this new power going to cost? Right now, the tech world is facing a bit of a crisis. There are global shortages affecting the price of RAM and NAND storage chips. Usually, when components get more expensive, tech companies pass those costs directly to the consumer. But Apple plays by different rules. Because Apple already charges a very high premium whenever you upgrade your RAM or storage, they have a massive profit margin built into their products. This gives them the leeway to absorb market fluctuations. Because of this, the leaks indicate that Apple is going to retain the exact same pricing structure for the M5 generation. This is incredible news. You will be able to buy the standard M5 Mac Mini with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage for just $599. The baseline M5 Pro Mac Mini will also stay at $1,399. That gets you the base M5 Pro chip, 24 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of storage. Getting 45 to 60% more performance for the exact same price is why Apple completely dominates the desktop market. So, when can you actually get your hands on one of these machines? According to the latest supply chain information, Apple is planning a massive desktop refresh for the summer of 2026. They're not just updating the Mac Mini. They are planning to reveal the new M5 Mac Mini alongside a brand new M5 iMac and a refreshed Mac Studio. The most likely scenario is that Apple will announce all of these new computers at their Worldwide Developers Conference, also known as WWDC. This event takes place in early June of 2026. Typically, Apple opens up pre-orders immediately after the event. That means you should expect to see the M5 Mac Mini arriving on store shelves and shipping to customers by mid-June. The wait is not actually that long when you consider the massive leap in performance you are getting. In my personal opinion, this upcoming M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be the most compelling product in Apple's entire lineup. The value proposition here is just impossible to ignore. For $599, you are getting a computer that can easily handle 4K video editing, complex music production, and years of daily multitasking without breaking a single sweat. The fact that the base model GPU is getting a 45% speed boost makes this a no-brainer for students and casual creators. But the M5 Pro is the real star of the show here. Putting a chip with a 60% graphical boost into a box that fits in the palm of your hand is an engineering marvel. If you're still holding onto an older Intel Mac, an M1 Mac Mini, or even an M2 model, this is the machine you have been waiting for. The M5 generation feels like a true milestone in Apple Silicon. Even with the quirky power button undone. ADH the chassis, the sheer performance per dollar makes this a perfect 10 out of 10 product in my eyes. Apple has cracked the code for desktop computers, and the M5 Mac Mini is going to leave every single competitor in the dust. This tiny machine is going to change the entire tech landscape once again, and I want to know exactly what you guys think about it. Are you going to upgrade to the M5 5 Mac Mini, or do you think the current models are already fast enough for what you do? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below right now so we can discuss it. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the latest leaks and news. Share the video with your friends and family who love tech, and definitely hit the bell icon to get notified the second we drop our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.